Hi, I am Caty, and today I'll be teaching you the planning session. Okay, to start off is the learning objectives, which are questions we are going to answer throughout the session. Our first learning objective is how to make an effective plan. Our second is what are the 5 factors of planning, and our third and final one is why should you evaluate. Before I answer the learning objectives, I am going to give you the data discovery task, which is make a plan with your family to go on a hike. Consider your resources and what you need for your hike and where you are going. And use the skills you are going to learn later today. Our first learning objective is how to make an effective plan. The first thing you're going to do is have a win-win attitude. The win-win attitude gets everybody excited about the planning process and what you are going to be doing. The second is aim for everyone to agree. The agreement allows for everybody to enjoy what they are about to do. Then you have to use each planning step. Finally, you summarize the agreements. This makes a conclusion for the end of your plan. Our second learning objective are what are the 5 planning factors. The first planning factor is to consider the task. The consider the task is asking you, what do we need? Where are we going and why are we doing this? Consider the task starts off the planning process. The second one is to consider the resources. What do you need? What do you already have? And how will you get each resource? And who do you have? The third one is consider alternatives. You want to plan from A to Z, not just 1 and 2. Because you don't know what in the world is going to happen. There could be a fire, or you could not get your reservation, or something is sold out. So you always want to plan ahead. Our fourth one is to make a final decision. The decision puts a stopper on it, and there's your plan and all your other alternatives. 5, write it down. So you have a final answer that you can show to somebody, that if somebody forgot, you're okay. Our third and final learning objective is why should you evaluating? Evaluating is informative. It tells you what you did wrong and what did you do right. Then you have to ask yourself what worked well and what did not. You ask yourself this question so you can get a better result for next time. And you also have to ask yourself what can make it better so that it's a new experience every single time. Thank you for listening and hope to see you later this week.